Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai. This is how you do it. Big, giant, largemouth bass. And oh yes, she's a kisser. Mwah. Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai. Topwater fishing early morning, it is cold. It's just over 40 degrees. My hands, they're cold. But buckle up and hang on, we're gonna try to catch some largemouth bass on topwater.
They're pretty tame.
Uh-oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Very little, but hey.
Hey, it's fish. Make your hands stink. Oh.
He was hitting at it, but
yeah. Foul hook.
Missed it with that front hook. Well, first bass of the morning, and it's not a whopper. They don't come with tails. I put that tail on there. Kind of thinking like you give it the
a little more action.
What a popper does, and the plus the whopper flopper. Might be more right in that area.
Yeah, that looks good.
There's a bunch of little bitty bait fish jumping through. Baby.
I'd say. Oh, there you are.
There we go.
Nice. That's what we're after.
That one, yeah, definitely wanted it. Get that mouth open. Oh, clean me up. Nice largemouth. That's about 3/4 of a pound. They're fat, dude. Definitely healthy.
Oh yeah, there's plenty for them in here.
There's another one.
Nice.
They're definitely on it right there.
Told you they like to sit back in here. Yeah. Never caught anything huge back in here, but they like to sit back in here.
I can't feel my fingers. Another largemouth bass. Tap.
Yep.
Little one though.
This is what you need for Jacomo, man. This thing would be absolutely perfect for Jacomo and stuff.
Now this, and if it qualifies as a pontoon, you can put a 40 on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes just throw it and let it set.
My grandfather was a big believer in that. He said, let it set until everything calms down, and then
like a 10-foot or more weight, and
then give it a little go. Yeah.
I think that really works when they're not crazy aggressive. They'll kind of spook, and they run a little, then they stop and look. And if it sets there long enough, they come back, and they're like, what is that? And then as soon as it
twitches, then they're on
it. Away, they grab it. They're like,
yeah.
There we go.
That was a cast.
And that one I let set for a second. And see, I got that tail feather on there, so it should be just sitting there, just, you know.
Fluttering.
Fluttering. They're seeing it moving. Like
yep.
Something little.
Yeah.
Something little bitty is jacking with it. Oh,
there's
there
fish.
We go.
Nice.
A little bit.
Yeah, it's fish.
Hit that spot, what, 2 or 3 times going fast, slow down, and pull them out.
Maybe that's what you're going to have to do is just slow down. See, these are real pale too.
Yep, they're darker than those other pits. That one is anyway, that's got a little green.
Yeah, it does, yep.
Still catching them, topwater. They got little worms in them too.
You have that.
Charles got one.
Oh, look at the spots on that one.
Yeah.
He wanted it too. All the way down. Oh, man, it's down at the
Nice
fish.
bass. I can't feel my hands. We're trying to get the feeling back in. A little chilly over here this morning. What is it, like 40 degrees still, I think? It's cold.
There you go.
That is a little bitty fish. That is the smallest fish. Oh, he got off. That thing wasn't any bigger than
the bait.
Yeah, the whopper ploppers probably weighs more than he did.
Oh, that's a decent fish.
Yeah,
that was a decent fish.
Good hit and decent bass.
He's a fighter too. Look at him.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's a nice fish.
It's about a 2.5. Oh man, it's down in his throat though. This might be hurting.
Oh.
Get up here. Jesus, that is a freaking filthy fish.
Dude, I'm telling you, I try my best to manage this thing, you know. Every year it gets regular bluegill, hybrid bluegill, channel cat, and crappie. And then I dropped some nice fish in here.
God, I've never seen it. Look how freaking fat that is.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And that is actually not fat. That is all like muscle and meat. That is a fat. His head is even like fat. Very nice bass. That's probably close to 3, 2.5.
Yeah, that's a nice
It
fish.
shouldn't only weigh but about 2. Well, as you can see, we're catching them. I want to see if this sucker may jump. No, too cold. Woo!
It didn't get a gill, did it?
No.
It says winter is coming.
See, back when I put that feather set up on this, that was a reason, so I could work it kind of like you would a popper, just pull it a little.
Yeah, get a little more action out of it.
Have a lot of action with barely moving it.
Something moved out. You see it?
Yeah. Well, man, them little bitty ones are like,
Yeah.
they pull it down. I think they just got like the actual tail feathers, not even.
Yeah, it could be.
Hook.
Not even the hooks.
I almost pulled like a 1/4 pounder in, and he had that worm, just the tail of it, and it was drug out about 1.5 feet. It was stretching. He just wouldn't let go, and I almost got him in the boat, and he let go of it. And I'm like, that fish wasn't even hooked, and refused to let go of that worm.
Yeah, he wanted it.
He's like, I'm eating this worm.
Yeah.
He's not getting away. I was like, that is determination. Because you would think, even I know bass aren't the smartest creatures in the world.
Yeah, but
once
you
you hold something and it's dragging you through the water, that you would let go of it. Like, nope, not for me.
No, this has got more than I want.
But he was on it.
Oh, there you go.
That one is on.
Yeah, it's weird because you wouldn't think they'd be in the shallows like that, but that is really shallow water.
Good bass.
Huh?
Good bass.
Nice bass?
Oh,
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Haha, that's what we're after right there.
That sucker did not even hit it hard.
No. Look at that.
That
Oh my goodness. Good job. Oh my goodness. That is why I have this place right there.
man, a hurrying. Uh-oh. You would have hooked all kinds of right in my way where I want to grab. Whoa!
I got the net if you want it. Oh my God. That's what it's all about right there. Look at that fish. Look
That is a nice
at that
one.
fish. What do you think that'll go? 5, 6, maybe?
Maybe 5.
Yeah. That is a big fish.
Yeah, that's a nice bass. Ooh, did not even suck it in hardly at all, and I was working it very slow. You guys see that bass? I just call it 5. I don't know.
Yeah.
Nice bass. Whoa. All right, one last look. I got to pick. We kept her wet. We're going to turn her loose. I do not think she'll jump. Let's see. I'm sure she probably won't jump. But you know how you catch real big fish? You let the big fish go and they get a lot bigger. Woo! She just swam off very gently.
Yeah. She's wore the hell out.
All right, they are hitting topwater still. I don't even know what time is it. The sun is out, but we're down in here in this pit, kind of blocked by 9. So 9 a.m. cold morning. Exactly how we do it. Big largemouth bass. Let's see if it'll jump. That is a beauty. We're gonna jump. Yeah!